In this video, I will show you how to add watermark to your Microsoft Word online. So very simple and easy way. Firstly, search any free images website like Pixabay and search watermark draft picture like this one or this one. Download it. Another way, copy it if you don't want to download. Now here in this double click on this header bar, Control A, Control V. Select and remove everything from here. Paste it. Now adjust the size. Right click on it, wrap text and select behind text. Now click anywhere. Now start to write your text like this. You add draft, watermark, or any type of watermark in Microsoft Word Online. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment this video useful for you.